as you speak about that, we're given to understand that Attero holds over 46 global patents. So how central is this IP to your strategy, especially as you move into the international markets as well in the broader scheme of things?
IP is very critical for us, Nivedana. In fact, it's one of the core pillars of our strategy, both domestic and global. We fundamentally believe that IP gives us sort of a gross margin advantage and an EBITDA margin advantage, and can translate into higher return on capital employed in our business as well. And sort of IP enables us to sort of pay higher prices for a supply chain, ensure that we generate enough returns on the capital that we deploy, and ensure that we have a constant competitive advantage that we can lever up to continue to scale.
Talking about the scale as well, Attero's growth trajectory, Nitin, market relevance and investor backing have clearly triggered speculation about an IPO. Is a public listing on the horizon? Did you somehow also predict that that question was on the agenda as well?
So, Nivedana, we are a fast-growing company. We are growing 100% year on year. On the revenue side, we are growing 150% year on year on the EBITDA side. We are a cash flow generating company. So obviously, IPO plans are sort of in the works. We are looking at a listing in the next 12 to 24 months, depending on market conditions, depending on what our needs are. But definitely in the near future, we'll be sort of looking to list as well, Nivedana.
You know, Nitin, we have spoken so much about what has worked in the favor of the company and, of course, the roadmap as well. But given where the industry is at this point of time, do you believe there are certain challenges as well?
Well, from an industry standpoint, there needs to be a more policy and financial incentive by the government of India to ensure that the industry scales up much faster than what it is scaling up today. There is a PLI policy in the works for critical minerals. There is an expected financial incentive policy for rare earth materials as well in the country. And we obviously need to change the mining policy to ensure that we have a lot more focus on technology and new players in the market as well. But those are certain things that are, I think, the asks and requests of the industry from the government of India, Nivedana.